How to make listening to music safer for our ears on the iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can make listening to music safer for your ear. Headphones are one of the most important gadgets we use. They deliver sound directly to our ear. However, that sound is often louder than recommended. When the current is stronger than the limit that is considered safe, our hearing suffers. However, we can fix this on our phone and avoid hearing damage. Open the settings on your phone. When the settings open, find the Sounds and Haptics section and tap on it. In the settings that have opened, scroll through the options until you find the headphone safety option. When you find it, tap on it. In the new menu, we will be offered two options. We will select the first one by tapping on the switch next to the headphone notifications option. In this way, the phone will warn us if we have exceeded the limit that is allowed while listening to music on our headphones. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.